Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? Wagwan, people. In the morning here, in my little kitchen, I am going to show you how to make. From you see them whole heap of lovely, lovely chocho here, guys. I wonder when you think they're gonna make. I'm going to show you guys how to make chocho porridge. Sound interesting, right? Yeah, man. So I have a big native coconut over here. Look at this. Look at this coconut. It is big and lovely. This is a native coconut, for all who don't know native coconut, right? So that's what I'm gonna do, and those are my ingredients that I'm gonna use. And if I use anything else, I will show it to you. Me not left no out, anything me throw in it, I'm gonna show you. Cause me gonna need my little spices and all of that. So stick and stay in. Let's get into it. All right, now guys. So first thing first. You see this little what you call this now? Sprout. The chocho starts germinates. Or just let me say it chocho start grow. Yeah, because I buy it and put it down to make the chocho porridge, but I never find the time. I've been doing other stuff, other things. So we just have to wash off the chocho. That's the first thing first. We want to wash off our chocho and make sure that our chocho is clean, right? Next thing, we just start to peel the chocho. And if the chocho is too big, guys, just cut it in two. Don't peel it whole, cut it in two so you can manage it better. Alrighty. So this is what we're gonna do until we're through with all three of them. So after you have peeled your chocho, cut it in two. You can also put it down on your board, your cut board, to cut it so that the knife don't cut you. We're gonna cut it again. We cut it in two half and then 4/4. And why we do that is to get rid of this part here. Right? How easy? How easy we cut out the seed when we cut it in like this. And then chocho too, guys. There it always have some sink. I don't know what is that, but you can go ahead and you take that out as well. Some, I don't know what would you call it. I want to find it to demonstrate it to you. So let's just remove the seed. So this is the seed, guys. I'm removing the chocho seed. And I'm gonna continue to do all of them like that until it is finished. So after peeling your chocho, guys, you can go ahead and you notice these things, you peel it, but it's like you peel over these sink that is in the chocho. I don't know if that is what it referred to as, but that's what I will call it for now. And you remove it, right? Because you want to get your chocho clean. And do like that. And you remove. Alrighty. Make sure your chocho peel good. So this is a part that is not good. So I'll just cut that part out. So after we finish all of those now, then we're going to just cut up to how your blender can manage it. We are dicing them up, chopping them up, whatever size your blender can manage, you go ahead and do it. Alrighty. So guys, this is the chocho seed. So that's what we remove from the chocho. After we have peeled it, we remove it. This one's just a slide out so by itself. So you want to come out? So that's the seed, guys. Yeah. Right there. Can you zoom in? You zoom in good. Let my subscribers see the seed of the chocho. Let me take up this one. You zoom in on this one. Let them see. That's the seed of the chocho. And you don't have to cut it in four if you don't want to. You can just do like this. I used to see my mother. That's how my mother and my father do. They just yank it out like this. That's what they do. But you know, you have some really big chocho though. So, you know, me always cut it in a four still. Manageable to me. So you can go ahead and do that. So we will be throwing in all of this chocho here in my blender. Alrighty, so let's go. So I am using a bone dry coconut. I want the water, and I want the water. Here. Alright. So we are just shelling out our coconut, and I'm gonna cut them up and get them ready to do my coconut juice. So after finish oxing out the coconut, we're just going to wash it. Transfer it to a plate and or a basin and cut it up to blend. And I don't have to cut up my coconut small in bits pieces because based on the blender that I have, right, so I can just cut it up big. In the process of blending my coconut, alrighty, I'm going over to the blender right now. And we're just going to blend. So I am going to strain off my coconut milk now. So I'm leaving some for reserve. So I will strain that one off first. Rich. So I'm going over to the pot with the rest of it. I'll just remove this from the strainer, the trash from the strainer. Alrighty, so come with me. So guys, I am using a piece of cinnamon stick. So I'm gonna cover this and allow to boil. So in the meantime, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just, you're going to see what I'm going to do with the chocho, right? So let's just cover this and allow to boil and to release that flavor in our coconut. All right, guys, so it's time to add our ingredients to the blender, and I am using some coconut milk because I use a huge coconut. So I have milk. So if I have milk, I am not going to use water, right? So don't worry, you can go ahead and use water to blend your ingredients. So I'm adding the chocho to the blender. And this is a chocho that we have just peeled, wash and chop up. And with that chocho, I am adding some oats as well to the blender. I'm adding some oats to the blender. And we are just going to blend. And guys, let me tell you, you can add some chia seed, pumpkin seeds, whatever seed that has health benefit to it, you can add it as well. All right, no harm would happen if you do that. And we're just going to blend. Alrighty, so this is our oats and chocho. I'm going right over to the stove. I'm going to just remove the top and I'm going to just pour. I'm going to just pour in that right in my pot. And we're going to give this a nice stir. And we're not going to leave this or anything, guys. We're going to just add our ingredients to the pot right away. Greater in my nutmeg egg. All right, now guys, so this is it, our chocho porridge. So I'm gonna add my spices to my pot. Yeah, so I will be adding in first my nutmeg egg. Yeah, my vanilla. And my husband love vanilla in a porridge, you know. I'm using some almond flavoring as well, tips of that. And I'm gonna drip a little salt. That's about it. I'm gonna give this a good stir to combine all of that lovely spices that we have just added to the pot. Alrighty, along with that, I will be adding some honey. Along with the honey, I will be adding some cinnamon spice as well. And I'm going to give that a good mix. Alrighty, along with that, I will be also adding some of my coconut milk. I'll be adding some more coconut milk. And I want to just give that a good mix to make sure everything is combined, everything mixed out. Smell really good, right, babes?
Yes, for sure.
So this is it. So you will see this when we plate it, right? Catch you back on a plate. My chocho porridge. Right, so after we finish sharing our chocho porridge, I'm just going to add a little. I'm going to add some nuts, and the nuts I'm adding is almond. So you can go ahead and add some fruits or some nuts to your porridge. Jazz up your porridge, guys. A lot of people don't like porridge. This porridge is really nice. Do you know, man?